So today we're going to be looking at three reasons why 97% of online courses fail to make money. Three reasons why 97% of online course creators fail to make money with their courses. This presentation is given to you by Joe Okoro. I'm a digital marketing expert and I'm also a course creator. So let's say you are an expert. You have skills, specialized skills, you have knowledge, and you have all the experiences in a particular field. And let's say you have created an online course and you have done all you could in terms of marketing this online course. Yet, in spite of all you have done, it doesn't seem as if you are making any headway. You have posted your course on your Facebook group, you have contacted all the persons on your phone contact, you have placed it on social media. In fact, you have run adverts, and yet nothing is happening. No sales is being made. It's as if you're actually begging people to come and buy that course. In fact, this experience can be so frustrating for a course creator because you have spent huge amount of time, you have spent resources, you have devoted effort and mental power to see that this course is produced. At the end of the day, just to find out that no one wants the course. It can be so frustrating. And this is the experience of a lot of online course creators today. And the reason why this happens is because many people, especially the course creator, believe that they believe in this common mantra: if you build it, the sales will come. Another one is that a good product sells itself. In fact, a lot of people believe that once they put the course online and one or two persons buys, then it will have a viral effect and then the course will go viral. But the thing is, nothing could be further from the truth. You see, no matter how good your online course is, if you do not have a good marketing in place, it is going to be a failure. It is going to flop. So it also means that before you can create a course that sells, there are three things you need to consider. And these three things are the mistakes that online course creators make each time they go ahead to create a course. So what are these three main mistakes? We're going to look at them one after the next. The first one is creating a course around your hobby. You see, a lot of course creators go ahead to create a course around their hobby. We are not saying that creating a course around your hobby is bad, but if you are going to create a course around your hobby, is that hobby something that a lot of people would want? Because many people believe that they, because they enjoy doing that thing, that a lot of people will also enjoy doing it, and that many people who enjoy doing this thing will be willing to pay for that hobby. That is what a lot of course creators believe, and they make this mistake by creating a course around their hobby. But the reality is, not all the hobbies that are available today are lucrative in nature. Someone may be interested in a hobby and love that hobby, but may not be willing to spend money on that hobby. The truth is, not everyone will be interested to spend money on the hobby that you create your course around, unless that hobby is a need to a problem that someone craves a solution to. That is the only way someone can spend money on a course that is created around a hobby. The truth is, making money from hobby is simply overrated. If your hobby doesn't solve a problem that people are willing to pay money for, then forget about that hobby and look elsewhere for another lucrative topic to develop a course on. This is the first mistake that online course creators make, creating a course around their hobby. Now let's look at the second mistake. The second mistake is not doing enough research to find out if there is a demand for the product that they are about to create. The truth is, every product, every course that sells online or offline today has a demand. So, before you try to create that course of yours, you must, as a matter of fact, make sure that you have done some research on your topic to find out if there are people spending money to buy similar products online. That is what you should do before you go ahead to create that course so that you don't encounter failure on your way. If you go to online marketplaces where online courses are listed, you need to try to find out if there are online courses in the category that you want to create your course around. And this should have a price tag on them. In fact, this is one way to know if there is a demand for the course that you're about to create. Find out if people are actually purchasing these products. And you can do that by checking out customer reviews on this similar product, checking out testimonials, checking out the case studies of those who have purchased similar products. That way, you will be sure and know that there is indeed a demand for the course that you're about to produce. Unfortunately, many course creators fail to do this. They just wake up one morning, and because they feel that they are passionate about a particular topic, they are in love with that topic, they go ahead to start creating a course in the high hopes that millions of people are going to purchase it, only to be disappointed at the end of the day that they have wasted all their time and effort in creating a product that nobody wants. So, mistake number two is not researching enough to find out if there is a demand for your course. So, let's go to the third mistake that course creators make before they create their course. The third one is that course creators are not building an audience first. Why do you need to build an audience? So that you can validate the commercial intent or the commercial viability of the course that you are creating. For an online course to sell, you need to validate the commercial intent or the commercial viability. In other words, you need to find out if anyone is willing to pay for that course. And the best way you can do this is to build an audience who are interested in your product first and get them to purchase the course. You don't need to get a lot of them to purchase, just a tiny bit of them to purchase the course. This will just confirm that people are willing to pay money for it. In fact, most expert course creators charge for the course first before they create it. They just inform their audience about the course and charge them an early bird amount before launching the full course. In fact, this is the thing I do for every of my online courses that I have ever created. I validate the commercial intent before I go ahead to create it. For example, one of my online courses is called Course Launch in 14 Days. And before I created this course, this is exactly what I did. I already have some online audience that has been following me for a while. So I did a small survey asking them what they want, and they told me that they want to learn how to create an online course in the shortest time possible. So I told them that I'm going to create for them a course that will help them to create an online course in 14 days or less. So I prepared the table of contents for this course and then scheduled it as a 14 days coaching program. Then I asked them to pay for it. To my surprise, I got about 21 people who paid 35,000 naira each for the course within a space of 1 week. And this made me about 735,000, which was more than enough validation and incentive for me to know that if I launch this course and place it online, that other people of similar interest will buy it. So, because I had 735,000 generated from 21 people, I was able to validate the commercial intent of this course. And of course, this gave me enough morale booster to prepare the course for the next 2 weeks. So I was able to sit down and prepare this course and finally launch it. So This is the third mistake that course creators make. They do not validate the commercial intent of their course. And for them to do that, they need to have an audience to help them validate it. The sad reality is that most course creators make these mistakes by not following the outline steps above. So what do you need to do? The next time you want to create a course, remember to take note of these tips and implement them. If you want to learn how to create a course that will sell, I have created a 12 days free video training series on online course creation. It will show you all the things you need to create a course from day one to launch. If you want to have access to this course, click the link below this video to access it. And of course, as you can see, the picture on your left hand side is a preview of the landing page where you are going to get this free training. It is going to reveal what you need to do to create your next best-selling course. So go on below this video, click and have access to it. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your comment, like and share. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful time. Goodbye.